Hey 8th graders, it's Miss Keen, just checking in with you. So I wanted to show you what's being posted on Google Classroom for this coming week's assignments. So, right now we're planning for at least 3 weeks of distance learning, and I just wanted to kind of go through what it is you're going to be expected to do. I would like you, if you could please, post by Thursday afternoon at 4. And there will be an assignment place for you to turn this in on the classroom. Some kind of document. Your document should tell me what it is you're reading and go through your choice board, and then tell me what you're learning. This is an example of one that I did for you guys. You can click on that on the distance learning plan, and it will show you, how it should look. I want to show you something else that's available to you. This is a resources page. There are all kinds of videos on this. Library resources where you can check out ebooks if you don't have access to real books at your house. Virtual field trips. These two are just long lists of virtual field trips that you can take. Different videos, things you could see. National Geographic has all kinds of things, not just history, not just science. There's also, of course, some vocabulary and some grammar, because we all know we all need that. And then you've got some virtual tours, like of Yellowstone National Park. There's also several different national parks in the United States that have virtual tours that you can check out. So there's all kinds of things. This document is going to be changing. I'm going to add things to it as we go along. And then if you keep on scrolling down in the distance learning plan, you will see that I do want you to read and write as much as you can. But, choose what you read. Read an article, something like that, how it's affecting, sports are being affected, things like that. But here's some choices for you to do after you've done your reading. There's 12 different choices. Check them out. Use them once a week. Don't keep using the same thing. And then this coming week, we're going to be learning about the reform movements in the early 19th century. So there's two different things. There's an abolition hyperdoc that's going to be in the Google Classroom in classwork. It'll be opened up in about an hour, and you can check it out. And then, of course, you also have some choices. You can read an article on some of the reform movements, or you can watch John Green in the crash course video on the reform movement, and then write a reflection on it that will be in your weekly Google Doc. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to email me at any time. Most of you know my email, but I'm going to type it down here so that if you need me, please get in touch with me. We'll have regular office hours from 11 to 1, but anytime you guys can email me, contact me, let me know what's going on. Keep playing on our trivia game and come up with some great answers, and I hope to get to see you guys soon. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye.